Just a little town park.
Just a little, just like the big park in our area. There's some little flowers there. Nothing major. Road's right there. We have some waterfalls down there. And for some reason this is blocked off. Maybe there's going to be a party or something.
No, there's your little daffodil.
Oh, I love these little flowers. You smelling the flowers there, Lance?
There used to be bathrooms over here. I don't know why they took them out.
Huh.
Probably the kids, town kids probably destroyed them.
Could be. It's kind of nice, but the bad thing is no place to stop. And they block. So, if you're paying the taxes, at least they should let you sit down. Maybe there's a danger. Maybe those have to be fixed. Maybe the pavilion's broken.
I don't know why they taped it out.
Maybe the pavilion's broken.
Maybe the kids were
You know what I mean?
rolling joints or something in there and they blocked it off from the...
Well, so there's no place to sit. So if we come again, we're going to have to bring lawn chairs. Well, you might be able to sit over here. I don't know. That's what the sandbox looks like. But it's a nice little place to bring
This is where you walk down get
to the fall things.
Yeah, you...
See, I didn't know. You said something about I don't feel like doing that today.
No,
which,
it's quite a hike and it's a real steep hill.
well, we only decided.
Unless they put stairs in, which I doubt.
Well, we decided just to take like a quick 5-minute break. We weren't gonna do a whole bunch of stuff
I
today.
think it's all dirt.
Yeah, well, I definitely don't feel like walking down
I'm
that.
60 and I'm not going to tumble
No,
down that
that's
hill.
pretty steep. And I don't feel like, not after you fell earlier today. We
No, I don't need
more
to
of that
fall
today.
again.
But you can see the falls over here anyway. Down through there. There's that other viewpoint thing too if you want to walk there.
Oh, they get the path filled up a little bit, but it's still quite a hike.
Well, I don't necessarily feel like doing that today because we were only going to stop for a second, remember?
Yeah.
We just said let's just take a 5-minute.
Well, we can walk over near the falls.
Yeah, that's what I thought you were talking about originally.
Oh, we are.
No, but I thought that's where you
I
didn't.
just wanted to show you that.
Oh yeah, I didn't know that was there.
And the water goes down through here in a little stream. See it down there?
Yeah, just want to bring the camera so we can show it.
The stream is down. Well, this is one reason that they put all the kids with their beer bottles. The stream is way down there in the bottom. See it? The water flowing. It's a nice park if they take care of it. We used to enjoy coming down here. You used to be able to have barbecues and everything else down here, and the local kids have ruined that. There's more of the stream down below.
Oh, that is, yeah, be careful next to that.
Oh, this is all, the ground is awful soft right here.
Yes, I said be careful next to that.
There was a snake.
No way, where?
He just went under the fence over there.
Oh, not all over here.
It was just a little tiny one. Oh, this is all soft in here. Must be they just threw some wood chips and stuff in here. See if we can see any more of the stream from the fence here. Oh, there it is. It comes down through there and out through there. Really nice, calming. See, they took some of the trees, the busted up trees and old rotted trees out so you could actually see the water flowing. Yeah, they've been in here doing work because there's tractor tires in here.
We're not going to tell you when, but we're going to take you guys to the zoo. But we're not telling you when. But it won't be sometime this summer.
It's during my vacation anyhow. Maybe not the vacation, but
It'll be this summer. It'll be a while.
it'll be a day we can enjoy it. Nice.
Yeah.
You know the best time to go to the zoo? Is when it's raining. Because nobody else wants to go. Of course, the last time we said that, we got there and it was raining. And what was going on at the zoo? The school had all kinds of kids there. There was bus after bus of kids, which was fine. I enjoyed watching the kids have fun. But well, we got a little flower garden in here. Isn't it cute? Point. Fence.
They'll take coat hangers.
No, they're daffodils.
No, but I'm not on the fence.
Oh no, it's just spun wire. See if we can get a close up of the waterfall. See the waterfall down over there. Alright, now we're going to go look at the falls. Look at this truck there. There's nobody else here unless he's down at the falls already.
Somebody goes to work for somebody else today.
Well,
Maybe that's what that
could be.
They try to put the ride together.
Alright, now we're going to head over to the little pavilion that they have down here at the end. Should be able to look at the falls from the little platform here. Look at Falls Park. Great Lakes Seaway map. Looks like they need to paint it again. That tells the history of the falls. There's the falls. And that all comes from the lake to the pond on the other side of the road. Really nice. Alright, and there's more historical things with the pictures of the town, fireworks. Picture of the statue from the center of town.
Here's the history.
Yeah. The whole history. And these are some of the older photos of what the town looked like years and years ago.
And this is just the town that's right next door to us, and it's just a little rinky-dink town. It's not big at all. In upstate New York.
And there's the movie theater, which is still in business. It's only $5 to watch a movie. And they still get movies from a late because here, I'll let you start filming again.
It's fun to go there too because
they got Rampage playing this week.
It's fun to go there because they say stuff like, if the kids aren't behaving, you know, funny things that you would never hear in the normal movie theater.
Yeah. If
And
people are annoying you, they'll throw them out.
the first time you come, it seemed a little offensive because, and then, you know, like they'll talk about the bathrooms and things that maybe you wouldn't talk about in a movie theater, and you just kind of laugh. But then once you're here for a while, you kind of, it's just that hometown feeling.
Well, they want to keep things in order. And
Well,
you can't blame them.
It's definitely a small town, which is nice. You know, everything about this town is small town, this area, which is nice. Especially if you come from a suburbs or city, it'll be a big shock.
And you don't ever have to worry about it being crowded down here.
No.
The only time you have problems is if the kids are all down here smoking cigarettes and weed or whatever else they're doing down here.
And it's right in the middle of town, so if they come down here, they're not too bright. 'Cause
Well, the
it's not
police,
gonna be
the
too
police
secretive.
drive in and out of here all the time. so
Exactly.
they keep order.
But like everywhere else, unfortunately, we have the drug problems here. Oh, here's the park rules. Sunrise to sunset, permits, no alcohol, vehicles on grass, littering, hunting or trapping. I mean, but you can see the size of this park is like, it's super, super small, but it's enough for this little community. So Clay's in the car. We're gonna go back home and get some more things done. We'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.